Guys, my name is Palak Jain and I am a SEBI registered research analyst and I've been in this market since last 6 years. I've done my MBA in finance which actually got me into this market. A lot of people actually see me online as Finance with Palak where I share real life stories and about finance, stocks, how to build long-term generational wealth in very simple language which can be understood by everyone. So my main motto is to build good relationship with people with money and stock market because Sapna, there is a lot of misconception whenever they hear this word stock market. Oh, it's so scary, I don't know about it, should I enter, how, and all those kind of questions. So my main motto is to make this agenda very much simple and understand for people to start begin with it. अगर आपको शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग करनी है तो आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करना आना चाहिए, हाउ टू रीड द चार्ट्स एंड ऑल, एंड आई वाज जीरो इनटू इट. वी यूज्ड टू स्पीक अ लॉट अबाउट बैलेंस शीट्स एंड ऑल, बट उस समय ना सपना कोई ये नहीं बताता कि आप इस नॉलेज को यूज करके हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट, हाउ यू कैन ग्रो योर मनी.
I lost near about 1 lakh just because of a Wi-Fi connection.
आप बिना कुछ ट्राई करे नहीं सीख सकते कि ओ अगर ये करते तो ये चीज होती है. SEBI registered, which I'm super proud of, because Sapna, this license is very hard to get it also. Price गिरे जा रहा है, but I'll still hold it कि नहीं यार बढ़ जाएगा. Let me average it out, and people will keep on averaging it till it becomes zero. Okay. So, beginning with myself, that who was I before stock market? I would say, Sapna, I was a very ordinary girl, good marks, proud parents, and bachpan se, like from small when I was into college and all, I used to have that passion to teach people. So I used to take private tuitions of students of 10th, 12th standard में commerce में थे. So I like making things simple and easy to understand. And मैं आपको एक बात भी बताना चाहती हूँ, when I was doing my commerce and MBA, we used to speak a lot about balance sheets and all. But उस समय ना सपना कोई ये नहीं बताता कि आप इस knowledge को use करके how you can actually make money out of it, how you can grow your money. So actually, to be very honest, lockdown was a turning point in my life and career because उस समय करने के लोगों के पास कुछ भी नहीं था. Everyone were at home. So I decided कि मुझे जो भी knowledge अभी तक मिली है college and all में in my finance field, I will start applying it in this practical world. And I started to build it कि मैं थोड़े बहुत पैसे बना सकूँ उसकी हेल्प से. But to be very honest, Sapna, I failed miserably into it. I failed very badly, and I'll tell you why. कॉलेज में हम जो सीखते हैं दोज आर द फंडामेंटल्स कि आपको बैलेंस शीट कैसे पढ़नी है, इनकम स्टेटमेंट कैसे पढ़नी है. एंड मेरा जो अप्रोच था वो था ट्रेडिंग करना फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म बेसिस. सो दैट वाज नॉट एक्चुअली मैचिंग. अगर आपको शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग करनी है तो आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करना आना चाहिए, हाउ टू रीड द चार्ट्स एंड ऑल, एंड आई वाज जीरो इनटू इट. आई ओनली यूज्ड टू नो द फंडामेंटल्स एंड ऑल व्हिच यूज्ड टू बी यूजफुल अगर आपको लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए ट्रेड करना हो तो आई फील सो बैडली दैट वन डे आई जस्ट टोल्ड माय पेरेंट्स आई एम गिविंग इट अप, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही ये. So, but that day again was a turning point where my actually father played a very important role. उन्होंने मुझे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज कही विच आई स्टिल स्टैंड बाय, एंड आई टेल माय मेंबर्स आल्सो जो इस पॉइंट पे होते कहीं ना कि जहाँ हमको गिव अप करने का मन हो. सो ही सेड कि पलक आप जो भी चीजें मार्केट में कर रहे हो, you whatever losses you're facing into the market, it's just a fees you're paying to the market to learn something. आप बिना कुछ ट्राई करे नहीं सीख सकते कि ओ अगर ये करते तो ये चीज होती है. So that was the day where I actually put my whole heart, dedication, time, efforts to learn and try to understand the market. And that was the day because of which I am here in front of you, being SEBI registered, which I'm super proud of. Because Sapna, this license is very hard to get it also.
You know, I'm also very proud because it's not about being SEBI registered as well. Yeah, it may be hard. I don't know the process, but it may be.
Yeah.
But for me, what matter is you are a, I can say you are just a girl as of now, right?
Right.
And women in finance are very, even globally, we don't have that much of a knowledge about finance. Especially I'm targeting the women's because
I
I see
agree.
there is a research about it, right? 80 to 86% of the women don't even know about where to invest their money. They know how to earn money, they know very good about their career, they want to know, they have all the plans. Instead, even though they don't know where to invest the money, what to do with the money, should I invest in this plan or not. So that's why I'm super proud. Super proud that you
Thanks a
are a
lot.
SEBI register, you are doing finance. That is because I find finance very tricky, very difficult topic to, uh, let people understand in
Understand, yeah.
layman terms.
Hmm.
So, yeah, I am also proud of you. Okay, so in this podcast, no, we are gonna talk about all the things people need to understand about the finance world and what are the myth that is going on in this particular, not only in India, globally, especially about finance investment. And there is a massive gap in India between people who are terrified of the stock market and those who treat it like a casino, you know. So when did you realize, wait, I can actually bridge this gap? What made you think you could be the person to simplify this chaos for everyone else?
Right. So, as per my observation, na Sapna, I understand in India, people have split this into two parts. One type of people would either think stock market is full satta, full gamble, and another kind of people would think it like Las Vegas casino. So they would think, ki, Arey, we have to just gamble and we can make money out of 10x, 5x like that. But it's not really that the case. Those people who think it like casino or they are very scared to enter because they feel it like a gamble, I would say they purely lack of knowledge. Just because they don't understand it, which is why they fear from it and they get trapped into such kind of market. अब जैसे कि अगर मैंने आपको बोला कि आप ये स्टॉक खरीद लो, but without knowing why did she told me to buy this stock, what was the reason behind it, and well, just buy it. तो मुझे बस ये लगेगा कि प्राइस बढ़ेगा. I've bought it, प्राइस गिरे जा रहा है, but I'll still hold it कि नहीं यार बढ़ जाएगा. Let me average it out, and people will keep on averaging it till it becomes zero, right? So then they would say कि अरे stock market does not really work. जो पैसे डालते हैं सब डूब जाते हैं. They will also teach their kids कि see, you know what, I've done this mistake into my life. आप भी कभी मत करना. Don't enter into stock market. It's a gamble. Now, because of lack of knowledge, you face this kind of situation. If you would have known about the fundamentals, about the company, you would have more confidence whether you want to be invested into it or not. दूसरे तरह के लोग होते हैं सब ना जो लोग कसिनो की तरह उसको ट्रीट करते, दे वुड बी लाइक अरे ये स्टॉक खरीद लूंगा ना 5x 10x हो जाएगा 15 दिनों में. बट इट डज नॉट रियली हैपन लाइक दैट, यू नो. तो ये जो बोलते हैं ना कि अनरियलिस्टिक अप्रोच जो लोग रखते हैं, उसके वजह से दे लूज मैसिव अमाउंट ऑफ मनी and they have that conception कि stock market is very risky, you should not enter. But instead, I would advise people start gaining knowledge about it, start to understand about it, and then you will start making more better informed decisions. In fact, on my LinkedIn page also, आपने अगर देखा होगा, I keep on posting those kind of stories जहाँ पे लोग ये जो silly mistakes कर देते हैं जिसकी वजह से अकाउंट ब्लो हो जाता है लोगों का या लॉस हो जाता है. I keep on sharing so that वो लोगों के mistakes से सीखे and they try not to repeat those mistakes in their journey.
I'm also a victim in this scam. I lost
Oh
near
God,
about 1
yeah.
lakh. I lost near about 1 lakh just because of a Wi-Fi correction. Like, because of
Oh
a Wi-Fi
yeah,
correction. Yeah.
right.
So,
It really hurts.
oh my God. And at that time, I was planning my wedding. So,
Oh my God.
it was terrible. Yeah. Okay. So you are a SEBI registered research analyst, right? That's
Yeah.
not just a certification. I think that's a responsibility that brings more responsibility with, legal weight behind this. Walk me through behind it. Work me like what it actually means for the layman people, because I think most of the people, they see those credentials and don't even realize what you can and can't say, what are you accountable for. So how does that registration change the way you create content?
I would say, you know, SEBI registration title itself holds so much value. It changes whole thing for me, for my personal journey itself. Because see, now my words are not just content; they are commitments. अगर मैंने कोई stock के बारे में view बता दिया या मैंने कोई अपनी setup बता दी, so I cannot just throw some words for views. अब मुझे ये सोचना है कि क्या मैंने अपने research से bank करके बताया है, क्या मैंने risk properly बताया है लोगों को. If the strategy is replayed again after 2 years, let's say, am I still standing by it? क्या अभी भी वो चीज रिलाई कर रही है? So this accountability actually, Sapna, gives me a lot of confidence. It kind of tells my audience I'm not here for a viral reel today and disappear tomorrow because my name and license are on the line, you know. So it automatically filters the kind of people who actually choose to trust me. Because SEBI registration का process जो होता है, why I'm saying that it's not a content, it's a commitment. आज let's say मोदी जी ने बोला कि ये सेक्टर को रिलीफ हो जाएगा because of so and so decision. It does not end for me like a piece of information for me. Now the whole research starts कि अच्छा अगर इस किन इस न्यूज़ की वजह से किन सेक्टर्स को रिलीफ मिल सकता है, किन सेक्टर्स को रिलीफ नहीं होगा, इट वुड बी अ बैकलैश फॉर देम। जो सेक्टर्स को रिलीफ होगा, उनमें से इंडस्ट्रियल जैसे कॉम्पिटिटिव स्टॉक्स है, उनका क्या होगा, पीई रेशियो कैसे पढ़ना है, डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो, फंडामेंटल्स कैसे देखना है, तब जाके वी गिव देम अ व्यू कि ओके लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए मुझे ये स्टॉक अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज़ ऑफ सो एंड सो रीज़न। So whenever analysis is backed up with so much of research and vigorous experiments going on along with our research, that is when we are so much confident कि मैंने जो बोला I'm relying on it. नॉट जस्ट रैंडमली बिकॉज़ हमने देखा है कितने लोग ट्रैप हो जाते हैं कि इसने बोल दिया बाय करने के लिए, वो जब बढ़ रहा है इट्स ओके, इफ इट्स नॉट एवरेज करते ही जाएँगे, ज़ीरो हो जाएगा, दैट दैट पर्सन डिसअपीयर्स, ब्लॉक्स कि अरे! मैंने किससे टिप ले लिया? आपको पता है कितने ट्रैप्स भी होते हैं, पीपल जस्ट जॉइन इनटू द ग्रुप, एक बार पैसे ले लिया उनसे, दे जस्ट ब्लॉक देम एंड गो अवे। तो सेबी पीपल आर हियर टू गिव दैट ट्रस्ट कि हम लोग सिर्फ ये सब चीज़ों के लिए नहीं है, वी आर हैविंग अ प्रॉपर लाइसेंस फॉर दीज़ वर्क सो दे कैन एक्चुअली ट्रस्ट ऑन अस। तो ये क्रेडिबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस बनाता है।